Hello, we're at the home of 1215 Hoover Avenue. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath duplex. Let's take a tour. It does have ceramic floor throughout. This is the living room, dining room area. It does have window wall AC and baseboard heat. Your utilities are only electric and water. And you've got a nice open kitchen area, microwave, electric stove, refrigerator, pretty cabinets and counters. Got a coat closet here. This does come with a washer and dryer, as you can see. And this is your first bedroom. Still with the ceramic floors. And we've got your second bedroom. Bathroom, and then the master bedroom. Also with the ceramic floors, so no need for a vacuum here. And closet. All right, this is 1215 Hoover Avenue. This is Sarah Vaughn with Tidewater Homes. I can be reached at 757-773-7368. You can see this property and all of our available properties at TidewaterHomesVA.com. Thanks and see you next time.